Our main point of entry from the garage is roughly 36 square feet. And while this may seem like a lot of space, there's 6 of us usually coming in to this space at once, which doesn't leave a lot of room to sort of maneuver, especially when you have 6 people trying to hang up their jackets in this small coat closet. So today what we want to do is put hooks on the wall here for the kids to be able to hang up their stuff. I was able to find this piece of hardwood in the wood pile. I only need about 4.5 feet, so I'll trim off the ends and make it work. So I inadvertently did something dumb. I marked the wrong side up on my board. So when I went to put the hooks on the wall, my pre-drilled holes no longer lined up with the studs. They lined up on the wall with the letters and everything like this. So I gotta take it all off, fill the holes in, and re-drill and re-varnish. So I put some tape where the studs are going to line up now. And all I'm doing is marking the new holes so I can pre-drill them. So I've re-drilled the holes, filled the old ones, and revarnished it. Now it's time to put the hardware back on. Our main point of entry from the garage is roughly 36 square feet. And while this may seem like a lot of space, there's 6 of us usually coming in